Installing an AirBase is one of the simplest ways to streamline your AutoPot setup. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to install the AirBase and how it replaces the traditional drainage layer in your pot. The AirBase sits at the bottom of your AutoPot, lifting the root zone to create a critical air gap between the water in your tray and your substrate. Instead of allowing full contact with the solution below, the AirBase uses a series of 13 engineered channels. These act as controlled capillary pathways, drawing moisture up into the root zone without oversaturating the substrate. This multi-point uptake keeps hydration uniform across the pot, rather than relying on a single wick, resulting in more consistent moisture across the entire root zone. This creates the ideal balance of oxygen and hydration, keeping your media light, aerated, and highly active while encouraging stronger root development. By replacing traditional drainage layers like clay pebbles, the AirBase simplifies setup, reduces mess, and makes cleaning between runs significantly faster. Inside the package, you'll find the AirBase disc and the AirBase insert. This durable ABS plastic component is designed for repeated use across multiple grow cycles. The AirBase square fits into the AutoPot 2.2 gallon and 3.9 gallon pots. And the AirBase round is used with the 3 gallon and the 5 gallon fabric pots, as well as the 6.6 gallon XL pot. Begin by preparing your pot as you normally would. If using a root control disc or square, place it inside the base of the pot first. Next, place the AirBase directly into the bottom of the pot. If using an air dome, the AirBase includes a removable center section that sits on top of the air dome to hold it securely in place. Notice the tubing channel under the AirBase to thread the tubing up and out of the pot. The AirBase can also be used on its own or with an air dome. Once the AirBase is in place, add a small amount of your substrate to fill those 13 channels. Now, you don't need to pack material into each hole. Just add your mix and give the pot a little shake. The media will naturally settle into the openings and form the capillary pathways that drive water uptake. Avoid letting large chunks of perlite or pebbles fall into those holes, as they can limit consistent wicking. Once those channels are filled, continue filling the pot up with your blended substrate as normal. After your initial top watering, the media will settle evenly and lock everything into place, ready for consistent, controlled irrigation. After filling the pot, you're ready to place it into your AutoPot tray and continue with your normal system setup. The AirBase is designed to be durable and reusable across many grow cycles. For best results, ensure the AirBase sits flat and fully seated in the pot. Use a well-aerated mix like a 50-50 cocoa perlite. Keep the channels clear of large chunks for consistent wicking. Clean between runs to prevent buildup and maintain performance. The reusable design helps reduce the need for disposable drainage materials. Your AirBase is now installed and ready to use with your AutoPot system. Because AutoPot systems operate on a true plant-driven wet-dry cycle, maintaining that air gap is critical. The AirBase helps reinforce that by creating consistent pathways for moisture and uptake while preserving airflow in the root zone. For more setup guides and growing tips, subscribe to the AutoPot channel. Thanks for watching.